back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about a VR headset which entertained the people in 90s with the VR experience called Viewmaster. So it used the technology called virtual reality. So what is virtual reality? Let's talk about it before going to the Viewmaster. Virtual reality can be defined using its own words. Virtual means near or doesn't physically exist but can be made by software to appear to do so. And Viewmaster is one of a halfway depiction of virtual reality. The Viewmaster Model G was introduced in 1962. Someone would say that Viewmaster is one of the ancestors of the modern VR boxes that we are experiencing the virtual reality with videos and pictures. Viewmaster is actually the trade name of a line of special format stereoscope and corresponding Viewmaster reels. Even the Viewmaster is halfway similar to modern VR headset, but it requires reels as the resource instead of the smartphones. Reels contain number of photos around the reel. Viewmaster simulates and helps us to have close-up look, giving an experience like we were in there when the photo was taken. The main drawback is it doesn't have any video compatibility as in modern VRs. The reels of Viewmaster contains with different types of sceneries in order to give the user a better experience such as country landmarks, cartoons and different cities, etc. Now the Viewmaster brand has introduced a new VR headset called Viewmaster 2.0 which requires a smartphone instead of reels to experience virtual reality. So that's the end of my video. Before you cutting off, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos in the future. So I will be uploading about more about the virtual reality concepts, evolution and the history and the future of that. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.